Hi, my name is Yaw Kah Weng. I'm the captain of the B Division basketball boys. I am here today to tell you about what happened on the normal training day for the JWSS basketball boys.
We'll normally start with dynamic warm-ups and stretching, and then we proceed to individual skills like layups and shooting. Afterwards, we will do team skills where we work together as a team to practice our team plays. There will be fitness conditioning occasionally to ensure that we are fit for all the upcoming competitions. We would end off the session with a proper cool down and doing a team debrief to consolidate all that we have learned.
Hi, I'm Vice Captain for the B Division Basketball Boys team. We will be training on Mondays and Wednesdays from 3:45 to 6:15 p.m. We will also be training on Saturdays on our competition season.
In a normal year, we will have two major competitions which are the C and B Division games. On top of that, we also compete in community and developmental leagues.
Hi everyone, my name is Kendy. I'm the boys coach for JWSS basketball. I'm here since 2005. It's my 15 years here in this school. My most important teaching value here will be character building, and I hope this will help the boys to become a better person. As for the skill in basketball, the personal skill, we will look at their personal strength and weakness, and of course we will teach them all the necessary skill, basic layup, basic defense as a basketball players require. And teamwork skill, we will be teaching them during the training as a team, going through different drills and stuff. If you love basketball and would like to learn basketball, hope you can join us in our basketball team.
Hi, I'm Han, the Vice Captain of the B Division Basketball Boys team. We do not only play basketball here.
It's like VIA, where we conduct basketball lessons at primary schools to learn about some basic skills. We also look forward to our annual bonding camp, where we get to know our teammates better and just have fun. So on some years, we also get the opportunity to go overseas exchange, where we learn about cultures from different countries.
If you like what you heard and saw, please join the JWSS basketball boys team. If you have any questions, please look for Ms. Lila and you can drop an email. Thank you, and I hope to see you on court.